wrenching. All right, guys, so we've been out here working on Susbug a little bit. I don't know if you guys remember or not, but last time it was here, and basically every time it's ever been here, there's been a big gaping hole right there. So we fabricated up a new firewall. We just used an old barrel that I had. Actually, that's an antifreeze barrel. And we cut it in half, did a little bit of fab work there, and we got it all hooked in. And I think it turned out really good. And from down in here, it's nice and covered up. Everything is protected. And then the cool part, if Jason needs to work on the motor, he can just crawl right in here. Comes right off. And now he's got all the room he needs to get to all the fun stuff. Yeah. I told him he needs to paint this thing up like a barrel of ooze from the Ninja Turtles. I don't know what he's going to end up doing. He may put a biohazard sticker on it. Who knows? Lots and lots of cool options. But yeah, sets right back in there. We're going to have to fabricate up some way to latch it down in. But yeah. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys kind of what we ended up with on the old firewall there. And we added a 40 horsepower sticker right here. Those easily add 40 horse. And we added a QR code. There you go. Now you can scan that if you want. I don't know where it goes. You'll just have to find out. Anyway, we're going to keep on wrenching.